2025 Renault Motorhome Camper Truck is a perfect fusion of power, innovation, and luxury, designed to handle the toughest terrains while offering unmatched comfort on the road. Its bold and modern design features Renault's signature grille, sleek LED headlights, and rugged all-terrain tires, giving it a commanding presence wherever it goes. With a reinforced chassis, high ground clearance, and roof-mounted solar panels, this camper truck is built for both adventure and practicality. The interior is a true home on wheels, offering a spacious living area with premium finishes. The fold-out bed provides restful sleep after long journeys, while the compact dining area with a foldable table is perfect for meals or relaxation. The fully equipped kitchenette features a large refrigerator, a dual-burner stove, a sink, and plenty of storage for all your culinary needs. The bathroom includes a full shower, toilet, and ample space for toiletries. A smart touchscreen panel allows you to control the lighting, climate, and energy systems with ease. Under the hood, the Renault Motorhome Camper Truck is powered by a high-performance 3.0-liter turbocharged diesel engine that delivers an impressive 275 horsepower and a massive 420 pound-feet of torque. This engine is designed for heavy-duty tasks, offering outstanding towing capability of up to 6,500 pounds. A plug-in hybrid variant is also available, combining electric range for urban travel with the reliability of diesel for long-distance adventures. Both configurations come with an advanced 8-speed automatic transmission, ensuring seamless performance on highways and rough trails alike. Renault has equipped the motorhome with state-of-the-art safety features to ensure a secure journey. The truck includes adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, and an intelligent 360-degree camera system to make parking and maneuvering effortless. Hill start assist, downhill control, and a reinforced braking system enhance stability and control on steep or uneven terrain. Practical features like roof racks, side storage compartments, and retractable steps make packing for long trips a breeze. The roof-mounted solar panels and auxiliary battery system ensure off-grid capabilities, allowing you to camp in remote locations without worrying about power. Starting at $300,000 for the base model and reaching $500,000 for the fully equipped versions, the 2025 Renault Motorhome Camper Truck is built for adventurers who demand performance, comfort, and modern conveniences. With its heavy-duty engine power, luxurious interior, and rugged capabilities, this camper truck is redefining the motorhome experience. Whether you're heading into the mountains or cruising along the coast, the Renault Motorhome Camper Truck is ready to go the distance.